Alright, my fans, here we go. Unveiling of my Samsung Galaxy Fold 3 512. Not sure if it's on the market yet, but this is what it's going to be. I'm kind of excited and going from my Note 20 Ultra to this. I know there's a few things I've watched videos about. It doesn't come with a charger head. You only get a cable in the phone. There's no SD slot. So it's going to be taking a little used to. I do a lot of videos and pictures on my phones. So this is going to be interesting. But I'm excited. We're going to see what it looks like. Have my lovely assistant open this for me. Dog bone right there. It's my killer Chihuahua's bone. And there it be. Look at that guy. That's pretty. And then I do have my cases. So I didn't get the Samsung case because I'm just not going to spend $80 on a case. I haven't got the pin yet. I'm going to see if I want the pin. But I do have a case for it, and I know it comes with a Gorilla screen already on it. I got another one I'm going to put on it. So we're going to check it out, and then that's the box that's opening up. I guess there's only the cable. The cable should be in there only with the, I think the owner's or user manual. Yep, the cable and user manual. But I think the phone is pretty cool. I'm gonna get it all set up, and then they only came for me. I can only get the 512 in black, which I was kind of disappointed in color because my color I have on my Note 20 Ultra is, gosh, I'm not even trying to remember. I think it's rose gold, maybe. I can't remember, but that's what it is. And then I'll do a review on it, tell you how much I like it if I don't like it. I think it'll be okay. I mean, nobody's really talking about the pixels on it. This is only a 4K video and picture. My Note 20 Ultra is 8K. 8K video, 8K picture. So there is going to be a quality difference. The difference between my Note 20 and this also is I have an SD slot on my Note 20, and this doesn't have it. And I have a 256 on my Note 20. This is a 512, but there's no other room. I do have other clouds that I can use, but I really like my slots, SD slots. I know it sounds really weird, but thanks for watching, guys. And I will show you the phone put together, and be right back. Thanks for watching TIK.